What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and for today's episode I have a superb animated watch face that is from your guy Uredity Watch Faces. As you know, the developer is famous for his cool looking animated designs, and this one is no exception at all. So the watch face is present on the Samsung Galaxy store under the name of Terra Mechanica Gold, and this watch face is also available for giveaway. All you have to do is to check out the link down in the description. Developer of the watch face has provided us his super handy online coupon generated tool. We have just limited coupon codes per country, so make sure you try your luck as soon as possible. And here, if your country is not listed, make sure you try out the Global A code or the Pan Latin code. So good luck everyone. Okay, now moving back to the watch face design, here the first thing that you guys will notice is the insanely detailed theme which is present here. If I bring the watch closer to the camera, you can see the detail with the watch gears and with the rotation of Earth. And in order to change the theme, you have to just double tap in the center. Now you can see that the themes are changing. We have some simple ones as well as some animated ones. So you can try out all the 45 different themes with this watch face. Yes, this watch face has total of 45 different combinations with the background. But you cannot change the color combination with the watch dials. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. And further, we have some specific app shortcuts. If you double tap here, it will take you to your specific app shortcut menu from where you can assign any app according to your desire. In the same way, we have some other shortcuts like our heart rate monitor shortcut, and here are some other shortcuts like this is our second specific app shortcut, and you can see that the time is also present here with this watch face just at the top in digital format. So try out this watch face. This one is a nice one from Uredity Watch Faces. Now let's see its always on display mode. Okay, so this is how the watch face will look like in its always on display mode, and here you can see that things are not much changed. First of all, we have a dark background to conserve our battery life, but still you can see the time clearly due to these watch hands which are still visible in this light color. And if I rotate the bezel, all the colors and the animation with the watch face will be back. So guys, this was the watch face for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.